Well, I went to the food truck today and been out and about giving away most of the stuff we had. So this is what we have left. So like I said, we did give to families and a couple people we knew. So this is what we have left for ourselves. We have some grated cheese, Parmesan cheese here. Big, huge bag, 2.5 kilograms. There was 2 bags in there. I gave that to a friend of mine. Now I have all these Graham crumbs, honey made Graham crumbs. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 left. I had 2 cases of 12, so I still have 9 left. So if I know a friend or someone that needs it, I have it. If not, it's great for Christmas baking. Now this, I don't know what I'm going to do with, guys. I'm thinking I'm just going to jar it, put it in jars or something, and bake with it. Actually, let me just get to that. So these are chocolate cookie crumbs. I guess this is made for a restaurant or a bakery because I have a full box full. So that's going to be for baking. I'm just going to put them in jars. And I'll have that for baking, I guess. And if somebody wants a jar, I could give them a jar. So yeah, chocolate cookie crumbs. So many crumbs. Well, I had a case of 12 of the Compliment Italian seasoning stewed tomatoes. So I have 6 for myself. I gave 6 away. We got a case of Big's barbecue flavored sunflower seeds. I kept 3 for myself. The rest I gave away. French onion dip. I had 3 of those, so I gave 2 away. The rice I kept for myself because, well, I use a lot of rice. So this is balsamic rice, microwavable, I guess. Never tried it, so it's got a good shelf life on it. I got the Earth Balance coconut and peanut butter, or coconut and peanut spread. Now I had a whole case of this, so I'm keeping 3 for myself because I don't really use peanut butter that much. But I was thinking this would be great to make cookies with. So I kept 3, and there was a total of 12 of those. Okay. And as for this, oh, my sister has a crabapple tree. So she gave me a whole bunch of crab apples so I could make something with it. I'm thinking maybe some crabapple jam or jelly. And I'll give some to RJ as well because RJ loves these. RJ! RJ! Look what Mama got. I'll put it on the stump. There we go. He'll love that. I got a case of these again. Now I froze these because I use this for my chicken recipes, my buttered chicken. And you can use it for desserts as well. So Christmas is coming fast. So this is good for baking. So I'm going to freeze those. Nobody wanted any because last time I had another case that I got rid of. And yeah, gave them away last time. Tofu. I have 4 packs of tofu. But guess what? Nobody likes tofu, including me. I'm not too fond of it. Just the idea of it makes me want to gag. So I'm going to post it on Marketplace. If anybody wants to come pick it up, they can. And of course, magic shrooms. Magic shrooms. Magic shrooms. They're going to be epic. They're going to be great. They're going to be fantastic. Just kidding. They're just normal mushrooms. But I got a case and I don't eat it. My sister grabbed a couple. My other friends are like, no, not for me, no. So I'm thinking, I don't really like mushrooms like this, like fresh, and I don't want to cut it up and everything. So I'm just going to put them in the yard. The Chip's going to eat them, and they'll grow back next year, hopefully. If not, they don't look the greatest. Like, look at that. So it's not really something I am really fond of. And like I said, no one wants them. So I'm going to put them in the yard for RJ. So here it is, guys. This is my haul. I got this off the food truck today. This is all donation. And they ask for a small donation when you come up closer to where you pick it up to help with the gas for the transport. So if you do pick these up and you're in my area, please donate. Even if it's $5, it helps with the gas for this transport and for them to continue doing this for the people. So here's the thing. I hate wasting food. And I have a lot of food to process, package, whatever. So I'm very happy I went to the food truck this morning. But now I have a lot of work ahead of myself. So here it is. So I'm grateful to have this big bag of grated cheese. I had 2 of them. I gave another one to my friend. Now, what do you do with all this cheese? Like, there's a lot of cheese in there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to jar them. I'm going to put them in jars. I'm going to use my little machine that sucks up the air, and I'm going to refrigerate it because it says keep refrigerated. So I'll put the jars on the bottom of my fridge, and there you go. And pass them on to friends, you know. They come over, hey, you want a jar of Parmesan cheese, you know? So yeah, that's what I'm going to do with that. But that's work for today. And as for this big boy, oh my Lanta. This is the kind of stuff that we would get in the bakery when I worked in the bakery. You know, like, you'd get like Score and stuff like that. Like, look at that. That's Dairy Queen size. Like, a huge box. Oh my God. So I'm going to do the same with that because Christmas is coming. And I was thinking of making cookies with this. Or maybe cookie pops or something like that. But there's a lot here. So I'm going to have to jar that the same way I do the grated Parmesan. I'm going to keep it refrigerated because it says, I think, yeah, I'm going to keep it side up. We used to keep it refrigerated when I worked in a bakery. So I don't see a keep refrigerated on there, but what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put them in jars and keep that for recipes. I'm going to need to, I have to make some money. So I was thinking making some cookies and maybe some little pudding pies or cheesecakes or something, you know, and selling them. So maybe that's what I'll use for that. Gotta make some cash. With my bacon. Tastes like Oreo cookie. Yum, 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 yum. So I have a case left of the honey-made crumbs. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take 4 out of the 12. I'm going to put it on Marketplace with the tofu. So I have 4 tofu in the fridge. I'm just going to give them away because I don't need that much honey made and I don't eat tofu. So I don't want to waste. So it's free for anybody that wants to pick it up today. As for the Earth Balance coconut peanut spread, I'm going to make a cookie with it. I'm going to develop a cookie and I'm going to be selling that later on. Make myself some pies, some cookies, muffins, and maybe sell them. Because, well, that's my income. That's how I make money. So, I also have to process these crab apples. So what I was thinking of doing is just washing them for now. And maybe tomorrow make a choke cherry jam. So this thing here is my biggest one that I have. The smaller one won't fit the crumbs, so I have to put this in a bowl and try to balance it on there, I guess. So let's do these Graham chocolate crumbs, or these cookie crumbs, chocolate topping cookie crumbs. It's going to take me quite a while to do. So I just take my scooper and just put it in there. It's going to take me a whole day. So many crumbs. I guess I can make an Oreo cake. I can make some Oreo cookies. I can make some sandwich bars. But I'm a diabetic, so that's not a good idea to make it. I could enjoy it once in a while, don't get me wrong. But like I said, I was thinking of, because I'm on a budget and because I'm self-employed, using these to actually make pastries and desserts and selling them. It's a perfectly fine product. Oh, it's already full. Yeehaw! So I'm just gonna show you what that looks like. It's gonna fall on the sides, but so I have a machine that you put on the top on top of the lid, and it sucks the air out. So then it's air sealed. There we go. That's good enough. So I'm just going to put a sticker on these. Let's say chocolate cookies with a date and use it for my baking. Well, let me tell you, I'm always grateful for what I receive. But this took 2 hours to package. These are all the chocolate cookie crumbs. And I have them in abundance. I got 6 bags, freezer bags full. 3 coffee cans full. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 jars full. And this large jar in the back. Another canister there. And 2 Ziploc containers. Hooey! I'm going to need a lot of motivation to do this. I'm going to be doing some baking for a while there. I'm going to be baking for years. Oh my gosh. You know what I was thinking about though? I was thinking about making ice cream bars and Oreo cookie cupcakes and Oreo cakes. Things like that. Because they all taste like Oreo cookies. So, once again, very grateful for what I received. All right, so it took me like an hour and a half, but I finally got the cheese sauce and Parmesan put in jars. I washed the jars, I dried the jars, and I filled them up and labeled them. They had nice little stickers to go with it. It came in a case, so that was perfect. I have the nutritional labels on it, on every single jar. I got a best before on every single jar. And I'm planning on just putting it in the fridge because it says keep refrigerated. And in the near future, possibly making a cheese sauce so I could can it. So then I could have a cheese sauce for future use. And that's what I got from my Parmesan bag. A lot of jars. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 jars. Gotta love it. Gotta love it. Well, once again, I'm blessed with abundance, and I'm grateful for what I received. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, and be sure to leave a comment below. Bye for now.